This is Motorola Moto G23, and today I'm planning to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So to begin with, make sure that you have turned on Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. So in my case, Bluetooth is enabled, so are mobile network and Wi-Fi. Then open the control center. Find the shortcut that is responsible for the nearby share. I cannot find it in my case, so that pretty much means that it is among the list of unused shortcuts. So here it is. I'll simply drag it to the actual shortcuts that are in use, and now it should appear somewhere in here. Or did I messed it up? Yep, I didn't drag it enough. Far enough, I mean. So here I should have it this time. Yep. So touch and hold onto the nearby share shortcut. Where is it? Am I blind? Wait. Okay, I'll do this. I mean, you know what they say, third time is a charm. Yeah, probably dragged the Dolby Atmos shortcut instead of the nearby share, so excuse me, I guess. Finally, here I have it, so touch and hold on this tile. In order to turn it on, enable this toggle. From here you can rename the device, alias or nickname that it will be discoverable under for all other users in the same network. So I'll set the custom name and let it simply be Moto or Moro, whatever. You can also turn on or turn off the device visibility, and once visible you can also change the mode for its visibility as well. So restrict visibility to only your contacts or your devices, or make it so that your phone will be discoverable and visible for whoever is in range of this feature physically. And finally, you can also manage what data mode will be used for the file transfer. And well, pretty much we're all set. Now I'll try to send the screenshot from another phone I have on me and see how well it works. So here my G23 has gotten successfully found, discovered. Now I gotta accept the transfer at the receiver's end as well. And well, here I have it. Great success. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.